Assalamu alaikum to all of my students. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to take the concept of marginal opportunity cost. As opportunity cost I have already discussed in previous lecture. Marginal opportunity cost. What we call marginal opportunity cost. I will write down the first statement, then it is easy to understand. What we call marginal opportunity cost. Marginal opportunity cost refers to cost per unit of additional output of crop second when some resources are shifted from one in numerical form, shifted from first use to second use, or first opportunity to second opportunity, what we call marginal opportunity cost. And in concept of opportunity cost, I tell you, definitely producer has some person has a opportunity, he can use best in best while he get more. Similarly, in margin opportunity cost, here per unit of cost of additional output of crop second means some resource are shift from use first to use second. Means when some resource are shift from use first to use second, definitely there's a loss in use first and there's a gain in use second. I will show you numerical so that you can easily understand. For example, I will write down first loss of output in use first divided by gain of output in use second. For example, I will write apple production of apple, here we write wheat. When some resources are shifted from apple to wheat, use first to use second, as I tell in previous lecture. It involves some cost. There is a change of resource from use first to use second. For example, yes, for example, if production of wheat value of output in initial stage was 100 units. For example, 100 tons I will tell. For understanding 100 tons. When it has changed, when we shift to some resource production of, so we will write here we write for understanding production of apples. And I write here apples. Now, production of wheat. Value of output equal to 0.5 tons. When some resource of production of apples has declined, some resource of production of apples has been shifted to produce quantity of wheat. definitely there is a loss of output in production of apples. For example, now change in production. I will write in short form change in production of apples. Apples. That is, we decline it to 50 tons. Similarly, change in wheat production of wheat. That is 25 to 50 tons. Now, we will calculate marginal opportunity cost. What we call marginal opportunity cost. Now, marginal opportunity cost will be, yes, marginal opportunity cost will be equal to, yes, here 100, if we 100 to 50, means there is a difference is 50 units. Yes. And second, and production of wheat is 25. It has changed to production of wheat is 50. Means it has increased 25 units. Yes, cost is equal to, here I will write, that is equal to loss of output divided by gain of output. That will be equal to initial stage. Initial stage production of apples is 100 units, means 100. It has declined to production of apple 50, means there is difference is 50. Second, production of wheat. Yes, production of wheat is 25. Now, in production of wheat is 50, means it has increased to 50 units. I will show you the help of graph so that it will be easy to understand. 50, 25 to 50 means 25. That means 2 tons are gained during resource when resources are shipped from production of apples to production of wheat. Now, I will show it with the help of graph so that you can easily understand output. Graph will be just like this will be x, this will be y, this will be x, this will be 0. This is the, we already drawing production possibility curve or opportunity cost curve, PPC. Now, here we will write, yes, here we will write production of apples, use first, production of wheat, use second. With the graph, it is that we can better understand this concept. For example, in initial production of apples was 100 tons, production of wheat was 25 tons. With this much area, and production of wheat was this much, production of apples was this much, this area. When we decline the production of apples to this, so I will add with this little marker, this is 50 tons. Definitely there is an increase of this much. means 50 tons. Means we decline the production of apples to 50 tons, and there's an increase of wheat to 50 tons, 25 to 50 tons. We can calculate this. We can calculate this like here is A, here is B, here is C. What I write here 2 tons to clear this concept. Here A to B 100 to 50 has changed. If we calculate marginal opportunity cost, then as we know this is equal to loss of output in use first divided by gain of output in use second. We have already understood this definition. Yes, this equation. Now I will write here loss of output 100 production of 100 units of apples decline to 50. Means difference 100 minus 50. There's a difference is 50. Here is 50. और ऐसे भी हम लिख सकते हैं. This करो A to B. First I will write in equation form A to B. A B divided by BC. BC. That will be equal 100 units to 50. 100 to decline at 50 means 100 minus 50 here and minus 50 means A B means A to B this gap this is difference is 50. Now B to C this B to C it is 25 to 50 means 25 plus 25 that equal to 50 and here's increase of 25 that will be equal to when we cancel out then 25 1 is yes multiply 1 25 21 multiply 2 that's equal to 50 that's 2 tons 2 tons. What we understand from this concept we understand there's a loss of when some resources are shifted from production of use first to production of use second. Definitely there's a loss of production in apples, the gain of production of wheat. Here is 25 units which 2 tons gained by the production when we shift some resources from resources are shifted from production of apples to production of wheat. That means we gain opportunity cost, marginal opportunity cost in terms of 2 tons. In terms of 2 tons, marginal opportunity cost. And the resources are shifted from production apples to production of wheat. Definitely it involves cost. We get marginal opportunity cost. I think I try my level best. If you have any doubt, you can comment me, message me. I will further try to elaborate this concept if you did not clearly understand this concept. It is a little bit complex, but I will try my level best to clear the concept of this marginal opportunity cost. So it is enough for today. Now in next lecture I will take the concept of different problems of central problems of an economy. Till that time you have to wait and watch. I will be coming soon. Hope for the best. Take care. Thanks. Have a nice day.